Alright, so this is my sister and her son Ty. There's Nick in the car waving. That's Melody's new car. She's down here dry panning with Ty in Gold Creek. We can't go down to the water because people have moved back and they suck. And there's people everywhere. Look at these idiots. It's a nice day though. I love cloudy days. But there they are. Ty's first experience at looking for gold. Wave, Ty. Hi. Alright. Isn't this fun? I like it because I like being out here. It's pretty. Oh, you can hear the hillbillies. They're probably breeding with their cousins. Or horses. Alright, that's that. That is a nice car. Not so nice. Alright. Lights. Bye.